Hello my family, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to prepare potato hot pot, and these are the things we are going to use on our recipe for today. So I'll begin with peeling the Irish. I'm now going to wash the Irish. I'm going to cut the chicken. I'm also going to cut the Irish into smaller pieces. So I'm going to begin with slightly frying the chicken. So it's time I add the Irish. So our potato hot pot is ready. I'm just going to add some fresh coriander. So if you've been following me up to now, that means you've liked the video. Just don't forget to share and like and Subscribe if you have not yet, and make sure to tell me which country you're watching me from so that I can send you my greetings. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, hit on the subscribing button. See you in my next video.